know that you will keep your covenant. Calling on the God who knows you. Good morning, good morning. Who opened up the ocean and leads you down to do the same thing for me. So we get today. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, rock of ages. Well, gapped up right into this day range, right? This is all previous day range. So technically, I mean, just wait till we break range to take any trade. This is actually the previous 2 days range. So it's like when you see this, can you take it from supply to demand? Oh my gosh. Let me share my fucking screen. That might help you understand what I'm talking about. You go from supply to demand, right? Both days you could have done that. But it's not really that clean. So just look around, see what we got. NVIDIA looks good to continue to the downside unless we break above that 204. I think above that 204, we'll go back to 2068, 207. Yeah, really. So I guess that's already, let's say, below here. Let's see if we go below. If we go below there, you take it right back down to 199. So 201, 199, or 198 on the video. It's not a bad one. Below 2015 to 198. 2015 to 198. Tomorrow's the big day. And then after this week, hopefully we get some damn clean price action because this week has been so boring. I was just going to go to the driving range today, but now it's raining, so yeah, literally. But that's why, I mean, it's important not to trade. It's important not to trade if you don't see anything you like. Today, I mean, I might trade, and the video looks pretty good. Like, if we break below here, we could at least get like a decent $2 move down. Good morning as well. Yeah. AMD is already good to go back down. It's all lower highs, right? So I mean, might see that today. We shall see. Everything just, this is how you know it's going to be a choppy day. Like, because look, anytime you have your levels pre-market, right? Once you understand your levels and actually, yeah, actually, I just texted you. I meant to hop on with you. So, anyways, the market's choppy when you have a key level just getting through, just boom, broke below, broke above, broke below. So, usually, I mean, where's I even have VWAP on here. I have VWAP, but the 8, at least you could see we break above, we break below, we break above. So, like, that is a key level as well, that it just is refusing to respect anything in the pre-market. 200, look at that. Above, below, above. So ugly. Ugly. All right. Meta. Let's see here. Man. Oh God, my God, I need you. I could just see it. 580 to 590 would be nice. Unless we go below 565. Yeah. Oh God, my God. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Nice. All right. Well, we could play. We could definitely play with Meta maybe a little bit right here. So Nvidia and Meta. So they drop more than 70 billion in retail orders. I bet you all these retail buyers are going to be exit liquidity for freaking SpaceX IPO. It's going to IPO. The sharks, all the big dogs are going to take their profits while we all give them our money to buy it at this high price. And then they're going to buy in when it's at like $50. We'll see. We'll see. No one knows. Above 580.5. 580.5 to 590. Or below, you know what? Above 580.5 to 590. Or below 565.5. Jeez. 565.5 to 560. And you can see the level, so on and so forth. Underneath 560 should be a pretty big move, right? So if we lose, we'll put that on there. If we lose 560, we can see 550. Well, 552. All right. So meta, not bad. Not too bad. Hood with the gap up. Excuse me. I didn't even chart hood, really. Hood's kind of crazy. See Netflix. I know my boy loves his Netflix if he's on here. I know he's on here. My boy loves his Netflix. Netflix to the moon. Now it's approaching decent territory, bro, for if you want to get leaps on Netflix. Microsoft, dog. Oh my gosh. I couldn't be happier. Let's go. Come all the way down. Let's do golf out loud. Paid with that random funds. Bro, if Microsoft could break this 356, what's that? 356, 550. Oh yeah, Microsoft leaps for days, bro. I would love it to get to like here. We could get back down to 340. I'll start buying leaps. I'm excited. My money should be good after today for the leap account. Perfect. And then boom. Maybe even right there too. Let's see the weekly. Monthly. Oh, wow. Maybe we'll lose this 340. That'd be crazy if we lost 340. Unless this is going to be the third tap. This might just actually be the third tap. And then fucking go. No. No. See, boom, sweep, reclaim, take out highs. We need a sweep, reclaim. Let's see. That'd be nice though. Microsoft will be nice. Once we get around here, we'll definitely start looking for some leaps to like 2028. PLTR, I don't think I charted. We're in this consolidation range right here. We do have bullish divergence on the 4 hour and 1 hour like crazy. And we're holding the support. So we could see a breakout. I'm not sure the US has the appetite for it. Germany surplus. About to be so much news today, I feel like. But PLTR actually looks pretty good. If we break out of this, we'll definitely go back to 163. Let's see Google. Google's holding. So I would like to see us. I mean, it all depends on the war, man. Like that kind of screwed us. So it'll be interesting to see what happens, to say the least. But look at this. Bullish divergence on a support. And this should be a breakout, right? It's kind of like a H an H pattern. If you guys have the chart patterns book, it's very good. Like you should know every chart pattern. But this is like, oh. I mean, it's hard to do it just lines, I guess. But then we break out and go. So see if we get it. We'll see if we get any dumb news with the war. Oracle dropped on earnings, even though they beat earnings. CRM could come down more, and we'll buy more leaps with that. Spot? What's Spot doing? I just kind of been watching it. I'm curious to see if it'll go. Because this is, I mean, it broke out and retested, so you gonna go or not? Really, all I have is those two. I guess I would just say Nvidia and Meta is like the cleanest potentials. If it happens super early, like if it happens, I'm not frustrated over Iran. We knocked out their radar and missiles. The U.S. is flying planes over Tehran. All right. Like I said, if we break below this, like the first 5-minute candle, the trade is still valid, but I'm gonna say is invalid. Premiums are gonna be jacked up when you take that initial trade in like the first, 5-10 minutes of the market. And on top of that, within the first 5-10 minutes of the market, it can either be a continuation or it could just be a liquidity sweep to go to the upside, or liquidity sweep upside to go back to the downside. So you have to actually let the chart give you something, right? Like technically yesterday, all this is chop, but then we actually, we broke this structure at a resistance. You could have taken that to here. But I hate doing those little moves like 206, 204. I mean, I guess they're decent. They're decent moves. But I hate doing that. I just want a clean trend, clean break. That's the only thing that's worth spending the money on. So like Meta, if we break above this 580.5, we should just walk right up to 590, right? At least 585. I'm gonna trim at 585. Let's see. Yeah. Halfway. So Oracle dropped crazy. I mean, I want to say crazy. What? $20? It's not bad. It's not bad. We came up to a weekly. We're in a weekly gap, so I would expect a bigger pullback. Chop field. Yeah, monthly. Boom. Monthly fair value gap denial. If we get above that, shit, then we're cruising. So now above 250, we're going to 326. As far as this goes, we broke it. So we might come back, retest it, maybe get equal highs again, and then fall, or we'll see. See what it does. See what it does. Conflict is weighing on activity. Yep, conflict is weighing on activity. All right. Oh, Apple. Apple is at this key level right here. So, I mean, this could be a pop. This could be a big pop with Apple. We'll delete all these. I don't think I charted Apple yesterday. But this will be interesting to see if we break back above this 295. Probably able to take it to 302. So you could definitely watch that today for Apple. Yeah. I think that would be a great trade. Apple above 295. Above 295 to 302. We can go or below 289 to 286. About. Or below 289 to 286. And I think that'll be all. So Apple's not bad. Apple's really not that expensive either. I don't think it's not. I don't think it's that bad. But yeah, that's nice. That's nice for sure. I'm definitely going Apple above 295, bro. Let's go. That's how we got Star it. That's our favorite one. Star. So I'll be watching Apple, but man, if we miss something else, Amazon above 240 to 244 could be good too. By the way, so we hit that wall right there. We just went boom, boom. So we could either reject. Could reject there on Amazon and continue back down to 235, 240, 235 would be a great move, or back above. But we're gonna wait to see how the apple crumbles, right? Or how the cookie crumbles. What the fuck did I just say? How the apple crumbles? What the fuck? Because I was moving apple. All right. Consumption should remain main driver of growth. Yeah, we'll see. We'll fucking see, my guy, won't we? All right. Now let's get our four screen right. We'll go NVIDIA. And then we'll go. I guess we could go watch Google down there. AMD is nice to go back to 476, but AMD is too expensive for this market. So I personally not gonna take that. Meta, I'll watch right there. So we got SPY, NVIDIA, Meta. Let's do Apple. Boom. Apple could be very nice. All right, so this is how I'm watching the charts. We got alerts set for both sides except for NVIDIA, no alerts set, but that's okay. I really just would like NVIDIA to the downside, honestly. Not too big of a move, but Apple's nice. Apple's got some decent size moves to do, so we'll figure that out. And then RSI should be solid. That's RSI over here. Oh wow. All right, we'll see. Yeah. Be patient, wait for confirmations, reach out if you have questions. Please freaking ask questions. It's the point of the Discord, especially if you paid for a one-on-one and you have questions. Dude, you literally are paying for me. So shoot me a text. I don't care, market's closed, whatever. If I'm free and you have a question, I will hop on and explain it to you. I look at the charts. The charts is my life, literally. I'm obsessed with it. I look at it 24/7. Just reach out, man. Later.